have a good feeling about the titanium powder. This is a starting point. We've been waiting for this moment, I think, for a long time now. This is the takeoff day.
I think the development for titanium powder is looking very good. If we see the development of the use of titanium in 2018, the market grew by 32%.
One of the things with titanium and powders is that it makes it possible to do a lot of things. You can create, and titanium is probably one of the materials that definitely are growing fastest. It's light, it's silvery shiny, but it's strong also.
We kind of fell in love with the weight, I would like to say, and doing the fatigue testing we could see that it actually do work.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Power clear.
It was impressive, you know, and the guitar is great. You see? I think titanium is going to be very important, especially for aerospace. Aerospace, as you know, is a very challenging environment. So customers are asking for improved quality or reducing weight and reducing costs. If I can ensure my customers that I can give them new features using additive, I will get my goal. You know what I mean?
Really impressive plant, and I'm so happy to be invited and to be part of this, and I'm really looking forward to what this can hold in the future.
I think it's a good opportunity for customer to see and get in touch with this kind of new manufacturing era.
It was very exciting to see so many people here.
It is definitely part of the future, you know.